In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Steam from your Windows computer. If you have Steam program installed and you want to remove it together with its files, then let me take you through the correct way to do it on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, go to your laptop or your computer and look for Control Panel. If you don't see Control Panel here, go to Start menu, click on it, and on Start menu, just search for Control Panel like that, and here we go, click on it, and this will open the Control Panel. Now under this we have various settings option. Look for this option called Programs and Features. Now under this you will see all programs installed on your computer or laptop. Scroll down until you find Steam. As you can see, Steam is here. To uninstall this program, just click on it, and now you can see we have an install option here. If you don't see this, now go to your Steam program and right click on it, and then you'll see we have this option to uninstall it from here. If I click on uninstall and confirm by clicking on yes, now here I just have to confirm that indeed I want to uninstall this program by clicking on uninstall, and now this will remove the program together with its files. So this is a heavy program and therefore it might take some few seconds, but as you can see it is already done. Once it's done, now close this window safely, and as you can see the shortcut for the program is no longer on our computer. In some cases you may be asked to restart your laptop or your computer. Just do so to completely remove Steam and all the other programs that comes with this app. So that's how you can uninstall Steam from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.